Did you know that a simple piece of cardboard can do wonders for your garden soil? It's not just a way to recycle. When you lay cardboard down, you're actually setting the stage for a hidden transformation beneath the surface. For a special group of soil microbes, cardboard is a delicious feast. These tiny organisms eagerly break it down, turning what looks like waste into a valuable resource for your plants. Among these microbes are Actinomycetes, the master architects of the soil. They're not just decomposers. They actively build rich, healthy environments where plants can truly thrive, shaping the very foundation of your garden. As they work, Actinomycetes weave through the soil, binding particles together and creating essential air pockets. These spaces allow water to flow and roots to grow deep and strong, supporting the entire ecosystem underground. Ever notice that fresh, earthy smell after a rainstorm? That's geosmin, a natural compound produced by Actinomycetes. It's a sign that your soil is alive and teeming with beneficial activity. These microbes are powerful decomposers, breaking down tough woody materials like twigs and mulch into precious humus. This process releases nutrients, enriches the soil, and even helps protect plant roots from harmful diseases. By supporting these unseen allies, through simple actions like adding cardboard, you'll nurture a resilient, self-sustaining garden ecosystem where plants, microbes, and soil all work together in harmony. Actinomycetes thrive on high-carbon materials. Think shredded cardboard, dry leaves, wood chips, and sawdust. These browns are their fuel, powering the decomposition that builds healthy soil. Balance browns with nitrogen-rich greens like kitchen scraps for the best results. Chop or shred carbon materials before adding them to compost or garden beds. Smaller pieces break down faster. This simple prep accelerates decomposition, turning waste into nutrient-rich humus. By feeding your microbe workforce, you're building a stronger foundation for every plant you grow. Don't toss those scraps. Use them to fuel your soil's hidden architects. To help Actinomycetes thrive, start by layering high-carbon scraps, like dry leaves, straw, or shredded cardboard, into your compost pile. These materials provide the food and structure Actinomycetes need to flourish. By giving them a steady supply of carbon-rich matter, you're setting the stage for a healthy, active compost ecosystem. You can also use these high-carbon materials as mulch around your garden beds. Spread them in a thick, even layer to create a protective blanket over the soil, which helps foster the right environment for Actinomycetes to work their magic. In your compost pile, alternate layers of browns and greens. Think dry leaves or straw, then kitchen scraps or grass clippings. After each layer, water the pile until it feels like a wrung-out sponge. This balance of moisture and materials is key for Actinomycetes to break down tough plant fibers. For mulching, lay sheets of cardboard directly on the soil, overlapping the edges to block weeds. Top the cardboard with a generous layer of wood chips, straw, or leaves. This not only smothers weeds but also creates a moist, dark habitat where Actinomycetes can thrive. As rain or irrigation soaks the mulch, Actinomycetes get to work, breaking down the organic matter and releasing nutrients. Over time, you'll notice the mulch decomposing and the soil beneath becoming richer and more crumbly. This method not only conserves soil moisture and suppresses weeds, but also slowly feeds your plants as the mulch breaks down. It's a natural, low-maintenance way to build healthy soil. By using these techniques, you're essentially creating an in-place compost system right in your garden beds. It's a simple, low-effort approach that steadily builds fertility and supports a thriving soil ecosystem. Let your garden beds become a haven for these vital soil builders, and watch as your plants grow stronger and your soil becomes more vibrant with each passing season. How do you know it's working? What are the telltale signs that your soil ecosystem is thriving and healthy? Look for fine white threads in compost or under mulch. These are Actinomycetes at work. These microorganisms are essential for breaking down organic matter. That rich, earthy smell, it's geosmin, proof of healthy decomposition. This distinct aroma is a sign that your compost is breaking down efficiently. If your compost smells sweet and earthy, your microbe architects are thriving. The presence of steam indicates active microbial activity, generating heat as they break down materials. Dark, crumbly soil and vigorous, healthy plants are the ultimate signs of success. This texture indicates a well-balanced soil structure rich in organic matter. By saving cardboard and dry stalks, you're turning waste into a resource for your garden. These materials add carbon, balancing the nitrogen-rich green waste. Every scrap you return to the earth feeds the unseen workforce beneath your feet. Earthworms and other decomposers thrive on these scraps, enriching the soil. Support your soil's architects and watch your garden flourish from the ground up. A thriving soil ecosystem is the foundation of a bountiful garden.